So why do eggs turn white when fried? And make sure to stay till the end for some cool life hacks. And if you're wondering why I'm in a donut, okay, so I'll try making this video as simple as possible using simple words and terms. So the main reason why eggs turn white when exposed to heat is denaturation.
Using simple words and terms.
Now, denaturation is when the bonds, the particular bonds, particular as in particle bonds, unfold and entangle from their original shape. And after that, they bond and tangle up with other entangled and unfolded bonds. And one more thing. These bonds mainly consist of amino acid.
Using simple words and terms.
Basically protein. Okay, enough of the explanation. On to the hacks. So now I'm going to teach you how to make colorful omelets. So for this you're going to need an egg. I'm not sure how you make omelets without an egg. And then you're going to need some red cabbage. I think it's actually purple, but yeah, it's called red cabbage. And you'll need some water and a saucepan and a frying pan. Okay, let's get right into it. So the first step is to crack open the egg and separate the yellow and the transparent bit. So I've got them two separated. Now you take the red cabbage. I'm still not sure why they name it red. It's triggering. So take the red cabbage and then put it into a saucepan and pour about 1 to half a glass of water and heat it up for about 5 minutes or till you see the color of the cabbage go into the water. So now once you're done heating up all the red cabbages, I'm still triggered about this red cabbage thing. So once you're done with that, now let me show you a step that either if you want you can skip or you can adapt, because I think it's pretty cool. So now if you see, I have 3 different colors, and if you're wondering how I got these 3 different colors from just the same red cabbage thing I've heated up, well, here's the thing. Some of you might have thought, isn't this how you make pH indicators or the homemade ones? Yes, I use the same ingredients to make omelette, which rather sounds weird. But yeah, so this is nothing mixed with the cabbage syrup. This is baking soda mixed with cabbage syrup. And this is, I think, 3 drops of lime into the cabbage syrup. So now I like the blue one, since that's my color. So I'm gonna take the white transparent bit and then add slight amounts of the blue into it. Yeah, okay, I'm about to, oh god. Okay, be right back. Okay, once you get your favorite color poured in, just cover up the container. Yeah, make sure it's spill proof, and then just shake it. Keep shaking it. Oh god, yeah. Okay, it looks soapy, but nah, that's absolutely okay. So now we heat up a frying pan. Okay, so once you're done heating up your pan, take your colorful egg thing and just pour it in. And yes, add the yolk to the middle. And wait for the magic to happen.